one goes, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion eats tonight, and then leaves. No one laughs, no one indicates that that is a song lyric. No,
why are you stopped here?
Those are lines we wrote for you in the movie. And then he walks out of frame and he's like, $20 for that, $20 for Christopher Walken thing, and I'm winning. So I've already quadrupled what I was being paid for this movie. Yeah, right. Also, he goes to pee at this point, and then
of course not.
In the car with a couple, but he does a primal pee scream.
Yep, sure does.
Yes, a lot. It was a really good primal pee scream.
Yeah, I
enjoyed it. Not enough kidnapping movies have a guy in the background just being like, oh,
nice parking spot. This is the train. This is the train tracks. See, train only.
And Harry are failing to come up with their like.
Good job.
Fight instead of a planning session at the same time. Once again, just as he gets in, he's like, "All right, you're gonna have to distract him."
Sorry, what was that? Oh, Lucas, distract you.
Yay.
Hello!
Very good. What's that no parking sign mean? Does it mean don't park here? I'm pretty sure it does. Therefore, you get an egg.
Scrambled, son.
Institutions in that country.
Okay, I'm glad Canada did something, but eventually somebody has to just lose that number.
Right.
Like, do I want a safe spot on my next afterlife hotel that I let? No, you just lose and don't exist now.
So this story stems from an orphanage the Catholic Church.
Whoa. Case in point. Very good. They just cut each other off without using our mirrors.
He stopped checking local news.
Yeah.
You're like, what could there be to find out?
Why would anyone go anywhere?
Why is there a cyclist on the bridge?
I'm like, the only news is that,
The same
Here we
woman
go.
for 42 years. So they've been together for 42 years, give or take. And they've never lived together. So this woman is effectively my stepmom. She's been in my life for 4 decades.
Where are you going?
But she comes over every Saturday. She's come over on Sunday. She's come over during the week. She comes over on...
Holes. Really? Let's go now. There's traffic.
I didn't love doing it, but I was also real excited. I was real excited. I knew it was the right thing to do. I knew it would be just fine in 15 minutes. Everything that I'd read says, look, they all fine.
What are you doing?
All fine. As soon as you're not in the ice,
Stupid fucking BMW.
they're having the time of their lives. We're socializing, and it's also good.
Get off your phone.
What happens when you take power in 2024, 2028, or whatever?
I guess this is before manners were invented.
And at that time, no obedience to your institution was fine good for me. No.
Yeah, I moved here on purpose. I'd only visited here once, and I was like, I can live here.
Where are you from originally?
Indiana.
Oh, yeah.
Red light, fucker. I love to tell people off. My bad, I didn't put it in park. Right?
Yep.
All right. Oh, we're drinking in the car. That's nice.
How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Good.
It's been busy.
I bet.
Holy shit. 3 cars. Bike lane. No one in there. Bike lane. Right in the street, coward. That's a look.
He is barely my assholes.
Literally, right after 1 block away. Literally. What the fuck? Dude is just... Wow. Didn't even try. Wow.
2 hours later.
That idiot's still there. Like, look at that. Look, that's a parking spot, apparently. Never mind, there's some right there. Didn't even try. They were the car right behind me when I was coming up here. I was just like, okay.
Ooh, that would be
Yep.
heavy dispute here. Yeah. Non-denominational space laser.
Good job. Very good.
Skylar Young, EMC.
Fucking ZipCars.
Lyle, Veggie Big.
Yeah.
I think, they count on people being very predictable and, they're walking just like driving, but, that's not always the case because there aren't those kind of rules when you're walking.
What the? What?
Got places to go.
I guess so. I knew they were going to do that. What are you doing?
Here, why don't you take this Bible? And they're like, oh, we have the digital copy. And they're like, yeah, but that one's been edited. Right? I'm like, our Bible is definitely not.
Are you going to park or what? Are you gonna park or what? What are we doing? No? Okay. Why are we all turning so slow? Also, that says do not enter. What are you all doing?
When our kids were infants. So it sounds like Finn was little. Like he was in diapers. Okay. There's complicated feelings around that too.
Oh my God.
You know, there's so many chemicals going on in our fucking brains as parents. And like when you have a baby, I think it's even harder to like.
What's a red light?
You can't do the drop off of like
Wrong way, dipshit. Jeez. Very good. Let's just block that entire side of traffic. Unreal. People are so selfish. Why are you turning into the bus lane? No Infinity made city buses. Oh, you just went, what? Whoa, what are you doing? Answer is driving like an Infinity driver. Yep. No one nearby. Cool. Invent your own parking space. Drive button.
Correct.
To cue the timer.
Yeah, and then they just kind of.
But if they're moving around, then that's not them waiting for you.
Anyway, it's fine.
You guys are next block.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I know.
Yeah, I feel like they've gotten better about that though. Like
Wait, here's
the
another one.
driver holding drivers accountable.
Off the sidewalk.
Here's
Crashing into those people.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
nice
You all have a fantastic evening.
I
It's
hope
been a
so,
pleasure.
man. I hope you have a nice extra night. We have too many drunk people.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, I know. Come on, Julia. You should have a good night.
Wrong way, dumb fox. Stop in the crosswalk. People can't tell where you're going when your flashers are on. Turn signal. That's what that's for. Oh, you barely technically made that. Only technically. Oh my Wrong way, asshole! Looks at me like, what? What? What did I do? Right in the street, coward.
Baby Jesus.
Ah, hello.
A few moments later.
Or at least not for a long time. So the fact that that bump sets off the G sensor.
Wait, it does?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep. So it bookmarked that. That's my signal when I review the footage. Oh shit. What?
Oh.
What? Fuck. Well, we're gonna be stuck here for a minute. I hope you're not in a rush.
No, I'm not. I give you a good excuse to avoid doing it.
Ready?
I-5, they're having a really tough time. My goodness. Look at that video. Now, we have seen the video earlier from Chopper 7 of those explosions. This is new into our newsroom right now. You can see just a nightmare of a fireworks show right there on I-5 southbound.
As you heard, if you can, the best piece of advice is just to stay home at this time.
Yeah, I know in a situation like this, Hannah, we like to talk about alternate routes. Really, there are no alternate routes because all of the side streets are fast.
Like in the biggest SUV that you've ever seen.
Yep.
With their phone
Or
in
giant
one hand,
trucks.
With a phone in one hand and a gun in the other.
And they will run you off the road.
Yes.
That's their attitude.
And, like, turn
and everything is highway, so.
Yeah, and turn signals are like just giving information to the enemy. So you can't use those. Never let them know your next move, you know?
I do hate turning left here, because it's like, where should I pause before I turn? Like,
but I
should
think
go
that
past
was
each
probably
other.
Not the correct.
Yeah,
answer.
that truck was definitely not the right way.
There's probably not a great right answer, but there's definitely wrong answers.
Yes. How I view it is like, you should, if you and another person are turning left, you should go past each other before turning left. So that way your view of oncoming traffic is unobstructed.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. It's still awkward though.
Yeah.